What is the Fannie Mae HomeReady Loan Program and how do you qualify for it, you ask? My name is Nathan Rufty. I'm a mortgage loan officer looking to connect with you on how you can take advantage of this program known as HomeReady. Fannie Mae offers a mortgage loan known as the HomeReady Program. This program is for those buyers looking to purchase a single family, condo, a PUD, planned unit development, that is an owner-occupied purchase. Another benefit of the HomeReady program are for those existing homeowners currently in an FHA loan program that are looking to refinance into a conventional program up to 95% loan to value. The Fannie Mae HomeReady Loan Program offers low interest rates. It's competitive with the low down payment FHA program. HomeReady requires 3% down, where the FHA requires 3.5%. Cancelable monthly mortgage insurance, where the FHA mortgage insurance is permanent for the life of the loan if you put less than 10% down of the purchase price. Based on the area where you're looking to buy a home or refinance one, the areas will have an income limit to no income limit, and that will depend on where the property is located. You can refinance up to 95% of the appraised value, which means you can refinance out of the current FHA loan that you have into a conventional one. Debt to income ratio up to 50% with compensating factors and DU approval. For more information regarding the HomeReady program, please click on the link here or the link below to learn more about this great home loan program, and please share and like this video. I am also available to answer any of your questions regarding the Fannie Mae HomeReady program at the number below.